The Fox and the Dog. In a quiet village at the edge of a dense forest, a loyal dog named Bruno guarded his master's farm. Bruno was strong, brave, and always on alert. One evening, as the sun dipped behind the trees, Bruno noticed a sleek red fox sneaking near the chicken coop. "Stop right there!" Bruno barked, his deep voice echoing through the farm. The fox froze but didn't run. "I'm not here to steal," she said with a sly smile. "My name is Fiona. I was just looking for food. The forest has none left for me." Bruno narrowed his eyes. "A likely story. Stay away from the farm, or you'll regret it." Fiona tilted her head. "You're so quick to judge. Why don't we make a deal?" Curious, Bruno asked, "What kind of deal?" "I'll help you protect the farm," Fiona said. "I know the tricks of other foxes and how they sneak past dogs like you. In return, you let me share a bit of leftover food." Bruno hesitated. "And how do I know you won't betray me?" "You don't," Fiona said simply, "but you'll see my loyalty soon enough." The next night, a group of wild animals crept toward the farm. Fiona, hiding in the shadows, noticed them first. She darted to Bruno and whispered, "Trouble is coming. Follow me." Together, they chased the intruders away. Fiona used her cunning to block escape routes, while Bruno's strength scared them off. For the first time, Bruno realized Fiona was telling the truth. "You've earned my trust," Bruno said, "but remember, if you break it, you'll be sorry." Over time, Fiona and Bruno became an unlikely team. Fiona taught Bruno how to spot hidden dangers, and Bruno made sure Fiona always had a warm place to sleep near the barn. One day, the farmer spotted Fiona on the farm and grabbed his stick. Bruno barked loudly, placing himself between the farmer and Fiona. The farmer paused, seeing how Fiona stayed close to Bruno without fear. "Looks like you've made a friend," the farmer said, lowering his stick. From that day, Fiona was accepted as part of the farm family. Bruno and Fiona spent their days guarding the farm and their nights sharing stories under the stars. They proved that even the most unlikely friendships could thrive with trust and teamwork.